How to use Facebook for affiliate marketing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So mitigating traffic and earning commissions with affiliate marketing on Facebook is possible if done the right way. So here's a step-by-step beginner's guide to get started. So how you can use the Facebook for affiliate marketing. First of all, you need to choose the right affiliate program. So before you promote anything, you need an affiliate link. Some popular programs are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, CJade Affiliate, DigiStore24, and Impact. You can choose products that are relevant to your audience or niche. And Facebook is strict about the affiliate links. To avoid bans or blocks, don't post directly affiliate links in ads and add value to your post. Just don't sell. You can also try the organic strategy, which is using your personal profile as a Facebook page. Share tips and tutorials or reviews related to your niche and add your affiliate links in the comments or as a link in your bio section as well. You can also try creating a Facebook group. Building a community around a niche, for example, fitness, travel, deals, tech gadgets, and sharing your content, engaging your members, and recommending products naturally can bring a great benefit to you. You can also try posting valuable content like how to post, product reviews, belated list, Facebook Lives or short videos explaining the benefits of the product, and all. And never run ads directly to an affiliate link. Use a bridge page or lead capture page. You can also go to Ads Manager, choose an objective like traffic or conversions, and target a specific audience, like their interest, behavior, demographics. Include a compelling image, video, or short headline, and a clear call to action. You can also try tracking your links and results. And don't spam groups on your timeline. Engage with the people in the comments and offer real advice, not just sale pitches. So that's all for this video. This is how you can use the Facebook platform for affiliate marketing. So if you found this video informative and helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.